Hello, amazing artist! Welcome back to another super fun drawing adventure. Today, can you guess which adorable family we're drawing? Yes, it's Bluey's family. And there's a fun surprise waiting for you at the end, so stay with me. Oh, and before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really encourages me to keep making more fun videos for you. Let's get started. We'll begin with Bluey's awesome dad, Bandit. Draw a rounded rectangle, but leave little gaps at the top and right side for his ears and hand. Now give him a big oval eye and a half oval for his second eye. Draw his long nose with a cute triangle at the top. He's smiling, so adorable. Next, let's draw his pointy triangle ears, one just a little smaller than the other. Color in his triangle nose black. And add inner ears as smaller triangles. Give him some spots in his fluffy tail. Draw his hand. And add those thick, bean-shaped eyebrows. And of course, his legs. Now, let's draw Bluey. This time, we'll start with her round oval eyes. Add her triangle nose and a big smiling mouth. Give her those bean-shaped eyebrows like her dad. Draw her body, another rounded rectangle. Now, her triangle ears with smaller triangles inside. Her hand and her legs. Let's go back to Bandit for a moment. Add a few lines on his belly, face, legs, and hands. And give Bluey a few lines too for detail. Next, let's draw Bluey's little sister, Bingo. We'll start with her triangle ears this time, then her rectangle body and eyebrows. Draw her round eyes, her cute triangle nose, and her happy smile. Add her hands and legs. Her tail and some lines on her face and belly. Great job! We've got 3 family members already. Now it's time for their lovely mom, Chilli. They're on the beach having fun, and Mom is wearing a pretty hat. Draw her eye, her triangle nose, and her smile. Add her other eye and complete her body with hands and legs in a sitting position. Add some lines on her face and belly, plus her tail. Time to color. Dad and Bluey get shades of blue and black. That looks so cute in color, and yes, I know you're wondering where the eyes are. Hold on, I'll show you something fun at the end. Asterisk Bingo gets shades of orange. Mom Chilli gets shades of orange too. She looks so lovely in her hat. They all look so adorable. But we're not done yet. Here comes the surprise. We're going to use Play-Doh to make tiny extra details for our drawing. Look, these are Dad's little gray hairs, I guess. They're getting their face painted from Mom and Dad. It's so fun! And there you go, your Bluey Happy Family having fun at the beach is complete.